Hello friends, so now in this lecture we will see about the rotate command. So you can see on the screen I have just drawn this rectangle, right? See here I just drawn the rectangle. So I will just explain you rotate command with the help of this rectangle. So to activate the rotate command I will just enter here rotate RO enter, right? Then it is asking me to select the object. So I'm just selecting this object which I have to rotate. See, select the object and press enter. Right now it is asking you to specify the base point. I'm just taking the base point here. Now you can just rotate your rectangle at whatever angle you just want it to be, right? And you can also put any angle, and it will rotate according to that. If you put any positive angle, then it will move in anti-clockwise direction, right? See, if you put in a positive number, then it will move in anti-clockwise direction and basically in this direction, right? And if you put any negative number, then it will move in clockwise direction, basically like this. Okay, so let me put as a negative number to show you, right? So let me put as a minus 60 degree. See, it just moves in a clockwise direction, right? So let me make it undo, Control Z. Now I just wanted to uh, rotate, basically I just wanted this rectangle to be aligned with this line, and I don't know this and what at what angle this line is currently. So for that what I will basically do, I will just let me first move this one, select the object, move enter, press here, and I'm just resting my rectangle here. Now let me select the rotate command again, arrow enter. Let me select the object, press enter. Now let me select the base point. Now let me select the reference. Right? See, you can see the reference. Now I have to select the first reference. See, now I will select the second reference. Let me take it as this one. Uh, and now I can just rotate it, and I can just align with this. I can just take it as this point as a reference, or I can just click here, and you can see your rectangle is just aligned with this.